Finch TikTok croc?
No. You tell him. The crocodile TikTok croc. No.
The crocodile?
Yeah. No. It's the TikTok croc thing. It's the TikTok croc.
Do you know any other songs, Jake?
Yeah.
Can you sing this song? Can you sing What's That Smell in the Galley?
Yeah. What's that smell in the galley? I know, Thomas. Me. You should have taken a thing up. Ah! Hey! How am I going to drive? I want to drive.
Do you want to drive Cubby?
No. Yeah. No. I want to drive. I'm Jake. I'm going off.
Are you walking the plank?
Get on your ship.
I want the plank. I want the plank. No. I'm gonna race. I'm walking the plank. I want the plank.
Did you go down into the ocean below?
It's not the ocean blue. It's the water.
Oh.
It's the water.
Too technical.
Put that down.
Hi, Covey.
Put that down.
Oh, okay.
Put it down.
Is that how you talk to me?
No.
What do you say?
Can you please put the iPad down?
Yes.